What is up, my YouTube friends? Thanks for stopping in again. It's Monday afternoon. This is where I'm at on the truck. Gotta prime a couple spots where I put some spot putty. Not getting too carried away with the dents here and there on the back of this. Oh, let's see. Corrosion around where the handles were. Had a windjammer thing up here, took that off. Pretty much getting this ready to paint. Oh. These are the pieces that I painted for Maggio's truck. I'd show you, but they're all covered up. But anyways, that's part of it. Let's see here. I'm gonna switch the hood out. This one's got damage on both fenders and stuff. We had another hood that was in better shape, which is over here. We're just gonna paint the top part from here around. Not doing anything with the fenders. Pretty much got everything ready to paint. Mask some stuff off. And let's see what else. Pretty much took care of everything on the top. I'm leaving the door handles in this time since they're not changing the locks or anything. I'm going to leave these on. Actually, I might take these off. Might just take them loose and fling them over there, lay them on the cowl. I don't know, or I might just leave them on. It's always easier to paint with stuff off. But any words? Oh, I took a sticker off there, I gotta say on that. But yeah, looks like the consensus is everybody's saying use Google Chrome or Chrome for my browser. So I think that's what I'm gonna use. Google Chrome for my YouTube and stuff. Not real familiar with it. I think I'm using like Windows 8 or 7 or 9 or something, I don't even know. But, and then I got to change my YouTube settings because I keep getting a thing on my YouTube saying that I got to choose if I want to have my videos for kids or not. I can't even do that till I get a different browser. So any words, that's what's going on today. Yeah, if I don't see you guys before Thanksgiving, gobble gobble and happy turkey day. Thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and yeah, go check out Little Doggy, go check out E-Tart Adventures, Bub's Vacation. Oh god, there's so many of you guys out there. I don't want to forget, I don't want to leave a bunch of people out, but you know who you are. Peace. Pretty much ready to go. I don't know if I deleted my other video of this or not, so I'm doing it again. Changing this hood out with that hood over there. Words. got done shooting this like a couple minutes ago. Anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Peace. Prime a couple spots. Mask her up. The hood that I sprayed yesterday that's going to go on it. Any words? I'll bring it back once it's painted. I might bring you along for a little bit of the action while I'm painting it. We'll see. Alright, putting it back together today. Hope everybody had a awesome Thanksgiving yesterday. No, I did. Words.
The world feel the fury of the chosen man. Thug nigga 10 millimeter closing hand. Put him in my range. Hey nigga take 5. Watch him dumb shit and never fuck around with a samurai. Ride low down a one way. day, watch for gunplay. I hope we find true peace one day. Nobody cry when my dog dies, set him straight. AK automatically retaliate.
Badass, right?